Weet je wat je doet? Okay, great stuff. Welcome to my channel, Stream Memories Africa. I'm about to do the Fish Eagle section with Red Rock River Camp. Looking forward to it. I'm joining a trip with a father and son, doing some fishing, but there's lots of rapid action, so we'll see how the trip is gonna go. Roach is just busy with a safety briefing. Basically Roach was my training guy when he started, so that's maybe why I'm not listening to the briefing currently.
Jaar later en Nico is weer terug saam met ons. Maar hy het nooit eintlik gegaan nie.
Ek dink nie River Guides gaan altyd.
Nee.
Maar net 'n break man.
Dis weird hè.
It's part of your life.
Ja, ek was op die paramedics, ek sê daar 6 jaar, nee wat. Terug rivier toe.
Yeah, so we're now at the first campsite on day 1. Beautiful, yeah, on the Orange River. It's called the Fish Eagle Stretch because there's a lot of fish eagles. We've seen quite a lot already today. Right, so this is our first morning on river here at the camp. It's a beautiful morning. It's not that hot. It was actually very cold last night, but we all survived. We're all happy. We're all busy packing up and getting ready for today. Today seems like not too much action rapid wise, but hopefully some fishing wise we can get some fish caught today. What a magnificent place. that is my spot over there. I've at least got a stretcher. Yes, awesome.
Awesome guys, so this is the final day on the Orange River. The Fish Eagle section. We're taking out at Red Rock River Camp. It was the adventure that we joined, father and son trip. It was really amazing. There's now a little tricky section coming up at the bridge just to finish off the very exciting tour. Lots of exciting rapids. Yeah. So Let's see. How tricky it really is. Hope you can see my face. Hope you can see me fall. Well, there's a nice Afrikaans word called windgat. Well, that's exactly what happened there. Trying to be funny.